Now come to the use case of the previous concept. The task 1. All of you have to do this and you have to submit the documents to my email ID. Okay. Create a DB server for dev environment. The name should be dev009. This is your database server. This is Azure SQL DB. So next you have to go for QA. Here the name should be test009. Same Azure or different database, what are the database you have, your wish. Okay. But one thing, sir, if database got changed, separate linked service you have to create. Both are in Azure SQL, then you can go ahead. So generally, whatever the database you have in dev environment, same database should be there in test environment. Okay. And create a DB server for production. Environment. Your name should be prod009. This is also Azure SQL. These are the 3 servers. For all servers, database name should be same. The name is, let's say, MyDB. Or give your own name. Run below script. In all query editors. The script is like this, SQL script. Create table, sales. Transaction ID. Product ID. Customer ID. Price. And quantity. Better keep date of transactions. Okay. So this table, this query, you have to run in first database, second database, third database in the query editor. Okay. 3 separate servers. In all the servers, this table should be existed. And also one more table I have. Still in the part of the script only. create table products, customer ID, products, product ID, product description, and MRP. Okay, this is only three fields I am taking for easy purpose: product ID, product description, and MRP, maximum retail price. And one more thing, create table customers. Your customer ID, first name, or simply I am saying name. City. And phone number. So these three tables should be available in all the things. Okay. Script is completed. And still one more thing. Create table. Sales underscore denormalized. So in this table, what columns I need is transaction ID, date of transaction, product ID. After product ID, what I need is product description ID. And MRP. And price of transaction. MRP different, price of transaction different. Suppose the course fees of our course is 15,000. But at the time of doing transaction, after bargaining, you may pay only 14,000. This 14,000 is the price. The maximum retail price is 15,000. That means price means sales price. Price also I am keeping float. And after that, I want discounted price. That means how much discount happened to you. Suppose MRP 15,000, your sales price is 14,000. Discounted one is 1,000 rupees. MRP minus price. Okay. Float. Got it. And quantity. After MRP, I am giving customer ID. The customer ID care of 10. And name of the customer care of 20. At what price he purchased the product, that is price. And what is the discount for him, that is float. Okay. and quantity. Quantity for that particular product in that particular transaction, that is int. And bill. The price into quantity is bill for the transaction. Got it? That is float. Still any other fields are required? City taken for the customer? No. Next, city. Varchar of 200. And phone number of the customer if necessary. Care of 20. Now your table creation completed. This table also should be available in all databases. And each server database name is common. Let's say the database name, not MyDB. SalesDB. Okay. If you want to create schema, default schema, DBO. If you want to use your own schema, create schema, schema name. Got it? Okay. Default, you forget it. After that, one more table I need. Create table. Sales underscore summary. Create table sales underscore summary. City. Varchar of 100. Product ID. Care of 20. Total sales. Sorry, total underscore sales. Which is float or double. Better go for double. So these are the 5 tables to be available in every database. The pipeline, okay. Data input sources. Storage accounts. 3 storage accounts for 3 environments. Got it. Mr. Sanjay, be alert. 3 storage accounts for 3 environments. That too you are going for data lake Gen 2. Dev lake 009. Let's say test lake, QA lake or test lake 009 and prod lake 009. Containers are constant. Container 1 or else raw text is my container, raw data. Raw data. Raw data. Under this you have files. Products.csv. That is one file. Customers.csv. Second file. Third file. Transactions. Let's say sales.csv. In all these 3 environments, these are the 3 files. No change in the file names also. But here, sample data. Let's say 100 records of each. Here some big sample, maybe 1000 records at each file, especially into the sales file. Here, real data. This is real customers data, real products data, real transactions data. Understood? That means what I mean is complete data. You are not going to work with sample data because that is production environment. Got it? Now, create one linked service for database servers with parameterized. Okay. This is what our task. Create one linked service for all storage accounts. I have 3 storage accounts, but for these 3, one linked service I need. Got it? This is also, it also should be parameterized. Understood? Now, create data sets for all source and targets. So in this example, I'm keeping source as data lakes. And target I'm keeping SQL, Azure SQLs. The purpose is analytics, Azure Synapse DB. You want to make available of processed results to the end users, end applications means right into the OLTP systems. Got it. So how many data sets you required to achieve this task? In data lake, I need 3 data sets. But in targets, how many targets in terms of tables? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I need 5 data sets. Understood all of you? For each table, one separate data set. But these are the 5 data sets to be used in all the environments. Dev environment, test environment, and production environment. Okay, to make our work simple, I have taken only 3 environments, but in real productions, in real environments, you will be seeing more than 3 environments. Okay. So now, after completion of linked services, see sir, here I have only 2 linked services. Don't go for the 3 separate linked services. Got it? Now create a pipeline. Pipeline 1, that activity. Extract all data of all 3 files into Azure SQL tables. For what tables? For customers and One more table, sales, one more table, products. Got it. By using single pipeline, I want, sir. I'm not asking for 3 pipelines. Sir, did you understand my question? Don't ask me how. You do investigate and answer me later. I'm not asking products file to product table, one pipeline, sales file to sales table, one pipeline, customer file to customers table, one pipeline. I'm not asking 3 pipelines. I'm asking single pipeline. But copy activity should have only one source, one target. You investigate yourself how to do this task. Okay. But one thing, sir, in the case of, observe this, I'm going back to my pipeline. Let's go with, I'm removing this pipeline. I'm going for a pipeline, sorry, okay, let's check with the pipeline. Just check with the pipeline. Copy data activity I have used. How many sources that I can configure? 1, sync 1. Okay. Okay, leave it. And come to data flows. Instead of doing this, a new data flow. Source 1, source 2, source 3. 3 separate sources. Here customers, here customers, here maybe products, here maybe transactions. So for this one separate sync, for this one separate sync, again for the last one separate sync I can give, but this is bad idea again. This is one alternative of doing this task. Source 1 is writing into sync 1. Source 2 is writing into sync 2. Source 3 is writing into sync 3. Of course, in this task, you can achieve like this because you have only few number of tables. Think that I have 150 source files and 150 target tables. I have 150 source files and 150 target tables. In this case, if you proceed in the previous way, is very tough for designing of the pipeline, and also execution also matters. Got it? So what is the best solution? You have to tell me my task. That's why my question meaning, by using single pipeline, extract all data of all the 3 files into my Azure SQL tables. This is a pipeline activity number 1. Single pipeline has to do that, remember. Got it? Now pipeline 2. One more pipeline I need. Once data reaches to the Azure SQL tables, denormalize all 3 tables. What are those 3 tables again? Customers, products, and sales. And load into, what is the 4th table we have created here? Sales denormalized. That is the table. No column value should be missed. Understand, in the input only, price is there. Price is in sales table, but MRP is in customers as a products table. City is available in Customers table. Bill is not available. Discounted price is not available in the input files. You have to generate. While loading, before loading into the sales denormalized table, you have to generate those fields. With the same disorder, I want to load the data. So lot many data flow transformations you have to use. Got it? Come to this and load into sales underscore denormalized table. Got it? And then pipeline 3. Generate summary report. And write results into what is the table name? Sales summary. Within this, I want 3 fields. From which city, for which product, sorry. From which city, for which product, how much business is done. Got it. Sales underscore summary table. Okay. Next. Pipeline 4. Load the results of sales underscore summary into Synapse table using copy into active. That's it. And after that, for the final task, test all these pipelines. In all environments. In all environments means my dev environment, my QA environment, and in my production environment. All of you understood this scenario. So here data flows will be involving. Only you have to all process, to achieve pipeline 2 joins. Okay. Already join example I have given. And to achieve generate summary report, aggregate transformation in the data flow. Aggregate. For the results of pipeline 2, that means sales underscore denormalized table. For that, if you apply aggregate transformation, you will be getting that. And in the pipeline 4, copy into activity. Okay. And also one more thing I am adding. Test the load time with multiple ways. One, by using adf copy data, and number 2, copy tool of Synapse, especially for the 4th pipeline I am saying. Got it. And do test with polybase external table mechanism. That means CTAS, CTAS2, and 4, copy into active. Here in the copy tool, activate polybase. In the copy data tool, don't touch polybase. So here you are trying to load, especially in the last pipeline, sales underscore summary. This is from Azure SQL. You are trying to load into same sales underscore summary of Azure Synapse. Between them, I want data lake as staging. All of you understood the tasks. So after completion of this, finally decide which load is best. Got it. And test all these pipelines, especially pipe 1 to pipe 3. Pipeline 4 is for warehouse. Don't go for multiple environments. Let's use only one single. Test all these pipelines in all the environments, dev, QA, and production. But only the thing, one linked service for Azure SQL, one linked service for data lake. The single linked service for data lake should be feasible for all 3 environments. Got it. So this is what your task. I will save this task and I will text you. I'm saying that case number 1. Sir, please don't mind. One more break I need, sir. After that, one more use case I will demonstrate. I will be back in 15 minutes.